Oh yes, rasam. When it comes to comfort food, rasam is just a brilliant choice. Whether with rice or just a nice hot mug of this soup, your cold, your flu, it will all go away. You should be having this every day. Today, we start with the basics. Tomato rasam. Tomato Rasam. You will need the following: coriander, cumin, black pepper, urid dhal, mustard seeds, curry leaves, dried chillies, shallots, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, tamarind, 1 liter of water, and a little bit of salt. For this recipe, we will divide the onions into 2 parts. Half of it will be used for sautéing later, and the other half will be pounded in a mortar and pestle. As for the ginger, just coarsely chop it, and for the garlic, just slice them into halves. This will be pounded as well. Slice your tomatoes. Remove the stalk portion on the top and just finely dice them into large cubes. Now that everything is ready, let me tell you a good tip from my grandma. You have to dry roast the spices first. Normally we just put it in the blender and just grind them. But if you do this, you will get a more delicious and aromatic rasam. The coriander seeds, the black pepper, and the cumin is dry roasted in a pan for about 1 to 2 minutes. And if you start to smell the aroma and if you see it turning slightly golden brown, turn off the flames, and that's it. A mortar and pestle is always better than a dry mixer or grinder. Pound this into a fine, powdery consistency and you will know what I'm talking about. The smells just come out so deliciously. At this point, add in the chopped ginger, pound them a bit to give more space for the next ingredients, and we will need to add all of the garlic and the remaining onions, or actually these are shallots. If you don't have shallots, go ahead and use large onions, but use the same proportions. Now it's a fine paste. This one is a bit tricky because it will fill up the entire container. Pound the tomatoes. Usually people would just grind it, or some people just slice the tomatoes and put them in the rasam, but by doing this you get a thicker and more delicious rasam. In 1 liter of water, dilute the tamarind and remove all the fibers, the skins and the seeds. Everything is ready. Now let's make our rasam. Strain the liquid into a pot, add all the pounded ingredients in, give it a quick mix, and normally we would add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Why we add turmeric? Oh, it is the ancient, most famous antibiotic, antioxidant, and not only that, it gives rasam its signature color. Isn't that lovely? Put it in a low to medium flame and let that slowly come to a boil. In another pot, add some oil, and we're going to start to saute the other spices. We have urid dhal, also known as white lentils or split peas if I'm not mistaken. Mustard seeds go in, dry chilies, and the remaining shallots. It is not a rasam without curry leaves, so add a generous amount and saute until the onions turn slightly golden brown. Now here we have a specialty ingredient called asafoetida. It is a pungent powdery substance which is really good for digestion, and it gives a signature aroma for a rasam. So make sure you add this, but this is optional. If you don't have it, it's okay. Now the onions are golden brown. Pour all of this into the rasam, give it a good mix, and all you have to do is wait for the rasam to come to a boil. Something to tell you about rasam, it can't boil for too long. The moment you start seeing it come to a full boil, Immediately turn off the flames, and at this point, if you like it, you can add some coriander leaves for a popping color, and also if you like the aroma, just go ahead. Taste the rasam. If you feel like it needs salt, add some salt, and that's it. You're ready with a delicious rasam. You can eat this with hot rice, you can drink a hot mug of it. Usually we have rasam in my house at least once or twice a week, and towards the end, once you finish the rice, you'd pour more rasam and just slurp it off the plate. That's just comfort food to me. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching the Diao's channel.